In this video, we're going to discuss where C# came from. First of all, in the 1940s, programming languages basically did not exist. Computers were programmed by flipping switches to represent zeros and ones. You'd flip several switches and load that into the computer. Then it moved on to things like punch cards, where you'd have punch cards that would flip through the computer and program the binary language that way. In the 1950s, assembly languages began, and they replaced that binary notation. They used small phrases or words to represent actions. For instance, MV would have been move. Well, it was much easier for programmers to program than figuring out the series of zeros and ones. However, it was difficult because those low-level languages were different from one computer to another. So in the late 1950s, some high-level languages came into existence. This started out with Fortran and COBOL, and these are languages that more closely align to spoken language and were much easier to understand. Today, more than 2,000 of those high-level languages are available. Some of the most common are things like C, C++, Visual Basic, Java, and C#. And that's basically where C# started.